Now we will do the remaining part of this chapter, food crops other than grain. But before that, we will do one most important grain, that is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. These are the major source of protein in vegetarian diet. So vegetarian diet में dal is an important protein, and the major pulses that are grown in India are urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. These are the main dal grown in India. Major pulse producing states in India are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. And now we will read the food crops other than grain, that is sugarcane. Sugarcane, and oil seeds. For the sugar cane, it grows well in hot and humid climate with temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the regions of low rainfall, जहाँ बारिश कम होती है. It can be grown on a variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane. Second largest producer of sugarcane. Only after Brazil. It is the main source of sugar. ये शुगर केन से हमें शुगर चीनी मिलता है, गुड़ etc. The major sugar cane producing states are, जहाँ पे शुगर केन ज्यादा होते हैं वो है उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, बिहार, पंजाब and Haryana. And next is oil seeds. Oil seeds. In 2015, India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, soybean, castor seeds, cotton seeds, linseeds and sunflower. Most of these are edible and used as cooking medium. हम कुकिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं. However, some of these are also used as raw materials in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. Gujarat was the largest producer of groundnut. Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnut. And next is Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Linseed and mustard are Rabi crops. Sesame is a kharif crop in north and Rabi crop in the south India. Castor seed is grown both as Rabi and kharif crop. Next is plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture. प्लांटेशन एग्रीकल्चर में है टी एंड कॉफी. टी कल्टीवेशन, टी coffee. Tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture. It is also an important beverage crop introduced in India initially by the British. Today, most of the tea plantations are owned by Indians. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea bushes require warm and moist frost-free climate all through the year. Frequent showers evenly distributed over the year ensure continuous growth of tender leaves. Major tea producing states are Assam, Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri of West Bengal. Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Apart from this, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura are also tea producing states in country. Now coffee.